taking selfies on this mirror, and I had my hand behind this holding that, trying to be all cute and whatnot, and I slid my hand and it gave me a big old cut. I went and got a band-aid from the front desk, but it's bleeding through the band-aid, so we might have to wrap this up because I got some of the blood on the wall. That's not good. So tonight's gonna be super basic. I got this from Trader Joe's. It already has asparagus, onions, and mushrooms. And then we have some chicken thighs. And I'm just gonna season everything and get this as quick as possible. My finger hurts so bad, you guys. I washed my hand, I put some ointment and changed the band-aid. But I'm gonna try and do this one-handed. It's so bad outside, you guys, and all my power's out. I can't put on my heat and it's freezing, so I just lit a whole bunch of these miniature little candles I have. I have these little things, so I just lit them throughout my apartment. See, they're like super small, just to get some light in here, because you know it's a little scary. I'm gonna take a quick shower and then bundle up tonight. So last night I slept with these sweatpants, and then I also have my leggings on underneath the whole outfit, and then I have 2 pairs of socks on as well, and I have this blanket, and then we have, you know, this little white blanket, and then this blanket. I only slept with this top. I didn't need multiple layers on the top. I feel like if my legs and my feet are warm, I'll be fine. So yeah, we had power this morning. I have power, so I got up quickly. I turned on the heat. Now I'm just waiting for the apartment to heat up a little bit so I can get up and make some breakfast. So I'm gonna see you guys in the kitchen. Brief interruption while we wait on these eggs. I usually let them cook for 15 and then I'll check it and then see if I need to leave it till 25, and then that's usually the amount of time it takes. After that, I'm gonna get ready, maybe go to the gym. I haven't decided. You guys, it's so cloudy and rainy outside. It makes me not want to do anything. But I know I need to go to the grocery store. I have no more coffee. I have no more creamer. I want to grab a couple other things as well. So if I'm going to be outside anyways, I might as well go to the gym. But I don't know. I'll see you guys once we get these eggs out and get ready to go. Alright you guys, I just got to the gym. I took my pre-workout. We are in a rental car. My car is getting fixed by the grace of God. Just an update, we have not found the culprit. Culprit is still out there, loose and running, but hopefully he gets caught. If not, it's all in God's hands. And I do believe what goes around comes around, so if I'm not the one to do it, somebody else will, because God is watching. But we're gonna get right into this workout. I have no idea what I'm gonna do. I'm honestly just happy I got out of the house because I was binging on, I think it's called Perfect Match on Netflix, and it has a whole bunch of the old characters from like Love is Blind, The Circle, and like all of that. So they're trying to find their perfect match, and I was binging today. I completed it, so I'm waiting for the new season to come out on February 28th, and I'm pretty excited to see who the winner is. But I'm gonna see you guys inside. We're gonna have a good workout. Let's go.
Show ya. Show me the car when you turn me on. The way you tell me you want me down. Done it. I done this before you falling. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this and the more I go. Cause you a bad man, you she don't love money. She break grass real fast like conman. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? Cause honestly, I can tell that you're real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy, I can see it in your eyes. I've been running around.
Good afternoon, darlings. Good afternoon. I've been spending all morning editing this vlog, but multitasking with watching Married at First Sight. Mind-blowing. I want to wait until I finish the season to snoop online and see which couples lasted and which ones didn't, because I'm so curious. And I also want to know how they select who is compatible and who's not. If you know, let me know. I just started watching this. I know there's many more seasons, I think. But aside from that, my finger is still healing. Look at how deep this cut was. I feel like this finger has gone through it because if you know, I lost my nail and because the window came down and smashed my fingertips, but we don't need to reminisce on that. The nails are back, looking cute. But it's like, goodness gracious, can I have a moment? Can she just heal in peace? But we have reached the end of this vlog, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Also, if you live in LA, I know there's supposed to be more rain, I think on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Thankfully today, Sunday, we had no rain. But please drive safe, be safe, and have a good week. I pray that the week is thriving, filled with positive energy, blessings, laughter, and opportunity. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.